Community garden update, early July. So let's start here first. Here's the sunchokes. They're kind of at the beginning of the garden where I walk in, and they are getting humongous. In fact, they're really big. I step on some when I come in, so they're growing great. And we'll come here to this in-ground bed, and you'll see my dill is huge, and I keep cutting off the flowers so the leaves will keep growing, but it might be a losing battle because the more I cut, the more flowers it puts out because it really wants to go to seed. Here's my okra. It's getting there, starting to grow. Looking pretty good. It's my cucumber. I put a trellis in. I have no cucumbers to eat yet, but there's plenty of flowers on here. Not really seeing any females yet, though. There's some right there, so hopefully I'll get cucumbers soon. Here is my zucchini. Plenty of fruit there. And that's organic dust, by the way, I put on there. I'm trying to prevent the squash vine borer. See if that works. Probably not. Always a losing battle. So I have plenty of fruit on there, but no actual zucchini yet. So there's the female zucchini flower there, and then male ones in there, but I don't have an actual zucchini yet, so hopefully soon. Here's my yellow squash. No squash to eat yet. And again, there's that organic dust. Here's my cloudy day hybrid tomato, and it's looking terrible and barely growing, and I don't know what's wrong with this spot. As you can see, everything else over here is growing well, but this thing is just struggling along. I don't know why. So here's the first tomato bed when you come in into the garden. They're all looking really good. This is a Stupus tomato. Got a lot of fruit on it. Looking good. This one here is black cherry tomato. Looking really good too. Got a lot of fruit. Over here is jelly bean hybrid. See, it's got a lot of fruit on there. Looking good. I've been keeping up with trying to keep the suckers too. I've been pulling those. Here is the honeycomb hybrid. You see I got fruit, and I've already picked some of those tomatoes. It's looking good too. Really tall and beautiful looking. Let's come over here to this bed. It's the asparagus. It's growing well. A lot of new shoots coming up, or asparagus I should say. In this bed I have leeks. Getting pretty big. Eggplant. No fruit yet, but flowers. And of course the strawberries, and I got some I can pick over there. These are looking really good. They sort of really taken off, so looking good. This is my pepper bed. I'm not going to go over all of these peppers because there's so many. And there's a tomato back there. I'll go over that one, but these here are banana peppers. I'll have to pick those soon. I think these are, I'll go over a couple, I guess. I think this is lively Italian, so it's a sweet pepper. But there's some big ones on there, so it's looking good. And then here's this tomato, which is Trappy's Heritage, and I got some fruit on there, and these get rather big. This one's looking good. They're all looking good, the tomatoes, except for that one over there in that one bed. I'm not sure why. There's the other tomato bed. There's 4 in here. This one is, oh, I can't see. Paul Robeson. It's a chocolate tomato. Got some big fruit on there too. This one's really pretty. Got it. Heirloom tomato. Most of these are heirlooms. Here is, I believe it's Niagas. It is. It's got a lot of fruit. Another chocolate tomato or black tomato. This one is Japanese black truffle. Look at all that fruit on there. It's a beautiful tomato. I love this tomato. It's a great tomato plant. And then this one is Illinois Beauty. It's another awesome tasting tomato. Go over to this pepper bed here, and they're all coming along and starting to grow really well. They were slow at first, but they're really taking off. I believe this one is Cherokee Purple right here. I know it is. So it's a short, stout, compact tomato. But yeah, there's some fruit in there, so another delicious tomato, highly recommend it. Come over here to the onion bed, garlic and onion bed. There we go. My walking onions aren't doing well. You know, I redid this bed, and for some reason they're still falling over. I mean, they're supposed to fall over, but they just don't look like they're doing well. I don't know why. I have one in the pot at my house, and it's doing much better. But anyway, here's a leek that overwintered. See, here's the big flower. It's nice for the pollinators, so I just leave it. Here's my garlic. I harvested some, and I've had some problems with the garlic in this bed too. Some of it's okay and, you know, still growing and not ready to harvest yet, and some just kind of went brown, and I pulled it, and the garlic wasn't very good, so I'm not sure what happened. Anyway, over to this bed. Here's my onions, doing great. Really good. Getting bigger and bigger all the time. I'm really happy with that. And here's the feverfew, and I'm going to cut this back soon. It's pretty much done flowering, well, except for this one, because it's interfering with my leeks that are here. Got more leeks down here, so I'm going to cut that back. That's it for now. Looks like I've covered everything. Yeah, but everything's doing pretty well, except for a couple things. But I'm really satisfied. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.